Okay, guys. So we just went and hand the grocery to Sir Mitchell, and now we are waiting on another gentleman that we'll be doing another interview with. So we are doing two today. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, look at my mouth right here. Is it night fever? We call it. Yeah, pregnancy taking a toll on me. My complexion change. My hair is very dry.
So you know, set a take a toll for me too.
What I do to you?
You see me look darker.
You know, always dark.
I may look ugly. I was so cute and pregnancy mashed me up. Gosh. Ladies, I wasn't looking like this. Look at that. Me the hair for me head and say pregnancy that on me no bald.
You still have your going. So stay tuned, guys. This is the gentleman I was telling you about. So we are here with Mr. David, and Mr. David have a story. This is the house. We can go over there. So this is Mr. David's house, guys, and he's having a big problem, a huge problem, because a lady took it over. Don't want to come out. You give them notice 2 years.
2 years me come back, yeah. I'm them not the rent, I'm stop the rent. Tell them say, I don't want $1 from them. I'm a place now I'm back.
And you can't get it back.
I can't get it back. I was there court 2 times. And the judge put off the first time the judge tell the man you come to court, the baby father, you come to court say, Mr. Coley, Mr. Spencer, I'm going to put it good and come back to me the 20th of December. I know none of them no come to say dog to me. So when we go the 20th of December, no court never keep judge and say they never holiday. And they send me back a Mandeville to take out the next notice. Take out here, and if you move it 29th of January, and move. Someone take out a summons and we got a court. We got a court the 20th of June. The 20th. Alright, we got a court. Remember?
You remember the date now?
Yeah, we got a court. And none of them no come out. None of them no come out court.
They not come out court.
Represent him. No come out court that time baby father. No come out court and the one go to the judge say, anytime I come back, I must carry the original notice.
Oh.
Yeah.
So when is the next court date?
The 27th of June.
June.
Yeah.
So she and her baby father living here now?
No.
She alone?
She alone.
So why she not want to come out of the house?
I don't know.
Because your daughter is saying that they want to fix up the house and something for you.
Yeah.
And they can't do it because she's living in the house.
Yes, me buy on the 5 yard and all and drop it.
And to hard up because you can't get to use it.
Get to use buy some PPC panel. I don't have the
The PVC, that is good enough that we're using in the Sharon house.
I don't have the cousin the 2 box the Raquel original father. Have the 10 sheet of zinc of a female.
Oh, we might keep them for you?
Yeah.
Because you can't leave them here because then them take over that too. So, me I come, I just look at the house. For your daughter, so your daughter can see, and you know. Because she reached out to me on the channel and she said she want help because her father want the house to fix up all along. And he can't get it fixed up because the lady take it over. And the fun thing about it, I just met the lady, I never know say she. Because she bring tea the first time we came here, she come to Mr. Mitchell. And she bring tea for Mr. Mitchell, and I saw her, and then she moved, and a while ago Mr. Mitchell was saying, do you know this lady and her husband? Everyone say she take over your house. Seriously? So this is the house, guys. And you can't get to go in because a lady took it over. Which is sad. You have all your documents and your title, everything. Oh, but what you have to show that it is yours, just in case. Oh, your taxes paper. You want back in your house.
Want in here today.
Alright, so
Me
me go.
no blame the lady, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I think,
Me go ask you, me go ask you the full story now, because people go want to know the full
yeah.
story. But me go somewhere where too much sun, because there's too much sun there. So. Oh, we can go. We can. Okay, you don't want the sun. Too much sun.
Your cousin there? We can come there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
We come up this.
Yeah, yeah.
Sit down and
Mm-hmm. Mr. David is going. Ahead of us, because he's gonna go by the other house. Where he's staying right now. His cousin place. Oh, that blowing so. Big truck.
us.
Okay, so we're gonna go up there because so we can, sit and talk and you can get the full story. Stay tuned, guys. Why? Mind me drop. Uh-huh. I'm here walk a back figure drop. My shoes slippery. My slippers slippery.
You look for fine car? Yeah, take anything you can find, man. Let's have it.
So guys, now we left the house where Sir David took us to show us at his house, and now we're at your cousin. You said
Yeah.
his cousin house where he's staying at the month, and the cousin can come anywhere. Cousin overseas, so
Yeah.
the cousin can come anytime I want to fix up your house and whatever, and then you will
Yeah,
have
I forgot
nowhere
more
to
about
go.
Yeah.
You understand? And it would be sad because you have a house down there, right? And somebody move into your house, and now you can't get your house. The daughter is saying that she need to move out because they need the house to fix up for you.
Yeah.
You understand? She want to buy material and you
Yeah,
buy some
yeah.
material already and the house can't fix up because
Can't
somebody
fix up.
moved in it. So when the person first moved in, it was she and her baby father that moved in. How that story they go? How she ended up in your house?
No, me will tell you how she end up. My mother take down sick.
Mm-hmm.
And me have to move. I go take care of my mother. So me left the land give one of my cousin named Miss Curdell.
Mm-hmm.
And when me down a South Man say that I don't a Pratt big,
Mm-hmm.
Miss Curdell call me and tell me say she a go rent the house. Me say who? He say babe. Me say no man, me no want him there, me no want him there, and he's still renting.
Oh, go behind your back and
Yeah,
rent her
he
the
still
house.
rent
Mm-hmm.
just be a sorry Miss Curdell, sorry for her.
Oh. Yeah,
Sorry
but
for
saying
her.
sorry for Magadog. Not
Yeah,
calling her Magadog, but
yeah.
the saying sorry for Magadog, that Magadog and turn around,
Bite you.
bite you.
Yeah. Cause you know want no man haul and pull him on every
Oh, cause why are you saying that?
yeah.
Why are you saying that now? Because she kind of have a,
Yeah.
she not really mad,
No,
but she what?
mental.
She kind of meant, okay,
Mental.
okay.
Yeah.
And if I see her on the road, because I
You,
saw her twice and I
you
never
carry
know she
yourself
was mad.
clean. It's a clean
Mm-hmm.
right now. Me not drink water for her.
Mm-hmm. You
Tell
know
me
what
I
she
tell you the
mentioned?
truth.
That she is the first one that
Tell me
bring
I
when we
tell you the
come do
truth.
the video for
Yeah.
Mr. Mitchell. And
Yeah.
she brought tea for Mr.
Yeah,
Mitchell
yeah.
the first.
Yeah, you clean and wash clean too.
And I never know she was the one in the house.
Yeah.
And so what happens now?
So,
Leading up to what?
Mhm.
so when you happen to see my old lady drop out, and when me come back, and me tell him say, babe, me go on my house. And of course, me say, go ahead, you know, I know where around there for me. I pay him.
So she was
I pay
paying
him.
rent at this time now?
Yes,
She was still paying rent. Okay.
But all me can tell you say, me get out of the rent for me left here over 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
I take care of my mother.
Mm-hmm.
All me can tell you say, me get out of the rent at $12,000.
Mm.
10 years.
for 10 years, $12,000.
And how much,
Tell
how
one
much
when
you
the
used to rent it for?
two,
$2,000.
2,000.
What the hell is this?
And when they call it tell $12,000, I tell the lady say, me nah go take no more money for you, ma. All for when the government been send out some paper, say about land tax,
Mm-hmm.
say I go seize your land. I say take the $200 we I collect for a bill and
And
pay
go
the
pay,
taxes.
yeah.
When you come here, I go
Nothing.
check you out at tax office, nothing. When the supervisor for three me go to, oh then tell me say, for 2013, check for 2013 till now, how much here you get? For 2013, no
No tax
taxes
no
no
pay.
pay. And me count out whole of them the money and me
And pay for your
pay.
tax.
Yeah, for me all a pay for January this year. So me know who $1 upon it.
Wow.
So all you need now is your place.
Yeah.
So
you
the
can start.
lady now, does she work?
Yeah, you walk and wash.
Oh, she wash for people.
Yeah.
So does she have kids?
We have three nice, one a teacher,
You're
one
kidding me.
I work down at the Jehovah Witness place down at Christiana.
You're
So I
kidding
sell
me.
Indian coats. I wanna sell fish in a Mandeville. The daughter sell fish in a Mandeville market.
So why didn't not come for them
They
mother?
no care about her. The way they come unless they hear somebody take up on the phone and call and say your mother sick. That time they run away. Maybe they make you one little scandal bag of food come give him and turn him back to him. And gone.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So you
Truth, me I
have
tell you.
your mother. This is just ridiculous. You have your mother living in somebody else's house, inconvenient the person, and the person want the house, and they know say you want your house,
They
don't?
know.
Can you tell them
They
already?
know for when me come me say, you hear me? Me don't want next dollar pound. All me want and
For
me
your
place me
house.
want.
And them not care.
They don't care.
No, me I gotta say this now to the children, because I big people them now, don't?
Yeah, yes.
Adult them now.
Adult them.
Live on them own and something.
Yeah.
So to the adults, the adult children of the lady who is living in Mr. David's house, please, I am not going to bash you or anything, but I am going to say, look in your heart, look in yourself. You understand?
Ask what
And
if it was you.
ask, what if this situation was you? Somebody is living in your house and you want your house to live in. Mr. David, no, Mr. David cousin house in live, and like he said to us when we were coming, he said, anytime now the cousin can come and want in house, and then where would he go? Can cousin overseas? And when cousin come back, he might want things to fix up. Because when Jamaican go overseas and they start work and make money, they might come back and fix up in house.
Mm-hmm.
So when that happen now, where is he going to go? So you guys have your mother living in somebody else's house, and the man is here. I bring him a come from right now, because he going to do some fertilization or something, right? And he want his house to live in. Guys, come on, man. Me not like that. No come for the mother. You can afford to take care of the mother. Come for the mother. Don't let your mother be somebody else's problem. Come on, that's not right. It is not right. If you can come for your mother, come, not if, come for your mother. You understand? Let your mother be your responsibility, because when you're young, on a mother responsibility. No mother take care of the young, so come and take care of her now when she need the help.
She wash dirty clothes and mind the whole of them send him to school.
You see that? You hear that?
I know that she is in need, nobody there.
Mm-hmm.
I know. And every time when you go to her and tell her you want a house, she tells you don't have no house
No,
yourself.
I know house here, I don't feel. Sometimes he tell me say, me no get no way yet. Here, you see, let me tell you the truth, how she stay.
Mm-hmm.
You see, anyway, he go live. Help you get him out.
Okay.
Help you get him out. He live up on my personal vessel.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I police.
I forget to take her out.
Mr. Felix, I forget take him out.
So
He live up there, so.
Mm-hmm.
And I see him thing. He live here, so.
And
I see him thing.
Oh, so she just go around and just take people's house and
Right.
have problem, and they picking them know that. And I really care.
I no care.
Wow.
And none of them no say, none of that go on, you know. I go right down at the son workplace. I talk to him.
Mm-hmm.
I say, boy, I know say for your house, you know. Me I go talk to dealer when the teacher when I'm on the bill.
Mm-hmm.
I know, no get back no answer.
That is sad though.
No get
bless
back
up,
no
Jenna.
answer.
That is sad. Morning. That
No
is
get
sad.
back no answer.
Something I could done for you.
Yeah, man.
You need your place.
Yes, man.
I wonder if we can talk to her. I wonder if she can allow if we talk to her. So we can try persuade her.
I don't know.
Because she come over the house a while ago, you this year.
Mm.
And when time she said she go back. She turn back.
You know what go
The
on.
kids need to deal with that. That's
Yeah, the children need to
children
do.
them,
Yes.
them me blame.
Yeah. Come for the mother.
Here, me will tell you the straight and proper way how the way make we go. It's when me just come and son them come look on this house. That time me there go on little this before me mash up this. Right, that's when me there wash me pot and me plate them.
Mm-hmm.
Me see when I son go bowing head and like he said, I say, yeah, alright, man, yeah, alright.
Seriously.
And poor me never know, say,
That's
I pay go pay the man $5,000 back at me. And when me turn off the stove, I want to so yeah, me a cooking. I run go up there and I say, then, how you send man go look for a house? They not tell you the condition of me house done.
Mm-hmm.
Say you want ceiling and sitting. Me nah go on no rising go take up coal enough and trouble with asthma, you know, brother. Tell they say him they not tell him nothing. Until the man find out what go on. Say I see him way so he might go in a problem when he want him to left here so. All the plan they make, you know.
Oh, because then they want to come here, sir.
Yes, the plan they make, you know, when him a move, if we pass it, two we pass it one another, a move. That's the plan they make, you know. And the morning, they come look for him, one Wednesday. And you know, see by the Thursday morning, I take up everything and pack up it right here, so. And I see him come right up at a bit of wood 3 in the morning, and I say, babe, come for your house. And me I go work. Well, that mommy here. And I give it till the morning, you can ask all the youth where you see pass here, so.
So the person that pay for her to stay here so you can get back your house.
Yeah. And when they come for him to come move him. He say him nah move up him house.
So she love for your house, sir.
You know?
Oh, what is man? But if you end up there, cousin house, I see him probably cousin that we go through.
The man care about the money go give back.
Oh, kind of finance. I see him problem she have with everybody else. You have the mother in somebody else's house and the man wanting house. Come on, man. That's sad. Like I said before, put yourself in somebody else's shoes. And see how would you feel? Can me know say me wouldn't feel good.
Me da Westmoreland. Me da Westmoreland and one call me. I woke up at Orange Hill. I want boat farming. And one call me mother make, you know. He said, David, you know, come look for me. I soon come back. And you when he said to me, I said, might be the second call you get a graveyard come dig. And I think the boss don't know when me pack up me sitting and take one vehicle, go Little London and take one from Little London go Mandeville. And come back, come take care of my mother. Right now, me I feel one pain in my waist to me lift my mother. But when I start lifting, I say, oh God, never know say I hit. I dem sit in a jockey being there I feel. And I tell right now if my mother been dead a yard, the right side of me, you know that.
Because you say difference with you. It's a difference with you. You went down there and took care of your mother until she passed, and them left for them mother bother people. Different people, different type of people, different mind.
Yeah, man.
It is sad.
Look at Sonia Morgan till Sonia Morgan passed, brother.
It is sad.
Yeah, the only son.
Post with daddy and post with.
Any other kids?
Yeah, man.
How much other kids your mother have?
5 more. Call it 4 more, cause one the last daughter dead.
So 4 are on that left.
Yeah.
And you left your work and come take care of your mother right until she dead.
Left your house, left your work.
I mean, Jackie, no more. If the one we follow me, in kind of departed like. You know, we have to take care of her, mother. You see,
Mm.
so the balance being there. You know,
All
two them
over
in
it.
the job and them way them.
Mm-hmm.
Then so me and Jackie
But so it's sad. After you
take
left, you
care
go
of
take
her.
care of mother and man smile take over your house and now
Yeah.
one come out and now you
And
come
now
back
you
now
have
after.
no way for yourself.
And you know the sad part about it? His daughters want to fix up the house.
Yeah.
They want to fix up yours bad, you know.
Yeah, man.
They want to fix up yours bad because they said daddy getting old now and they want me daddy
They
live
want you
comfortable and
comfortable,
something
yeah. You
something. You
understand?
understand?
So they want to fix up the place so you can
Comfortable.
rest and have
But
the
then
rest of your
can't do
days.
it when she's in there.
No.
And me wouldn't do it when she's in there. So the thing is for her to get out now. So kids, adults now, come for your mother. And bash you know, but come for your mother.
I tell the woman who put him there, say, the son, if I tell the woman, say, he owe me money, me say, Miss Girdle, I don't want $1 from them.
Not take nothing
He
else.
say, you owe me, I don't want $1 from them and the place
You need
no
your
more.
space.
Then you
Yeah.
just face, yeah.
Yeah, me put on the place no more.
So why don't they use that money that them man give you and go rent and place for them mommy?
They not get none
You
of it.
know, get place.
They not get no
But
place.
wherever they live, they
I
can
don't-
carry her there.
Well, I don't know.
And rotate it, one keeper this week and one or 2 weeks and one keeper next 2 weeks and if your mother work so hard, wash clothes and something to take care of you. You think this is wash clothes now dirty over pan of water easy?
Easy way.
People thank God for those who have a machine can throw it in the machine and all you do is wash it and then you have to dry it on the line because you have a dryer. Thank God for that. But when you have to sit down over a bath pan of clothes, dirty clothes, people dirty clothes, and people when they somebody washing clothes, not really care about their clothes, and you have to sit down and you have to wash them. Then the mother wash all those clothes to send you guys to school. And what is she getting in return? You guys come and check if she dead or alive or you carry some food, can give her and you leave her and somebody else have a cause problem. Come on. That's your mother. Your mother, man. Come on.
How hot, Right now, they not even know, say they in a big trouble. Because they go put a zinc on me house back on me,
And then put her in. Lord
And
mercy.
confront me,
What is this?
And they confront me, and they don't know, so I can't sue them for real.
So the kids come and put on zinc in your house.
Yeah, and then all back on the lady, we put him there, they not even tell the lady, say they might put on zinc.
So then come to renovation.
So you're renting a house. Look at, no, you're renting a house at the time. You're renting a house. And you go behind the owner back and go put on
Without
zinc,
consent.
re-zinc without consent.
The only way
Them
that's
something
set
a
up
joke.
unless the owner give consent and
Mhm.
support it.
None of them, no. Not even Miss Girdle, our Miss Girdle couldn't give them no consent neither for
Because I'm her own.
And of your house.
Mhm.
You only give her the land to her.
And you have been going to court over 2 years.
Yeah.
And them not show up. She not show up.
When they show up, the baby daddy show up the first time. But
Oh.
in this year, none of me
They not
one,
show up
me
again.
one.
So because they not show up, the court keep showing it out.
They might put it off consent.
Mhm.
They put it off consent. They put it off because the defendant not show up for the case.
Mhm. And now we a man never have to go to court,
No,
not true?
Christian.
Christian. Oh.
And I write a Christian is and then a Christian come.
No, come. He said point blank, say him no court out there, me have court.
What a mercy.
So anytime I get the chance to talk to the judge, I see him, so me I tell the judge.
Mhm.
And he say, when time I come, if I carry notice, so I don't know where I'm going. Because if I can't get no justice, I take it myself. I tell the woman, I tell him point blank, so I wait till the rainy season,
In the same
And
time.
climb here and pull off the zinc off it, Tell him point blank. But you see, I just told me I try to walk straight,
Yeah. You know, put yourself in no trouble.
No, I just told me I got my church and thing,
Yeah. Just sad now. Guys, what you think of this story? Imagine you have your house, man, and you can't go in your house over 2 years now. You come back and you can't go in your house. And not like you go to take care of your mother because your mother was sick. And the man come back and can't go in your house because
Yeah,
he take over.
Because somebody is not willing to take care of their mother.
And your daughter was saying sometime when you go there, she just strip off herself naked and something.
We do that.
So you have to be careful
We
because she
do
will
that.
tell
And that's why
you.
I no ground. I
Yeah.
know, but tell us, one time, my brother them come here. And I got the doorway, go look so. My brother the way he live out there so.
Mm-hmm.
He may live there with them. And sometimes he walk around barefoot, that Christian will call police on them. And then they say them a beat him and they not do nothing.
Oh God.
And the one where I beat me son, brother Mitchell. They will call police on the two of them. Say them a beat him.
Mm.
That time they not doing nothing at all. So I
Lord have
me no
mercy.
grow on it. You see all the yard one, me would all grow on it, go burn the yard, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I say no, so
Me not advise if you go around there because she can easily well call police
me
by you and
nah,
say
me
you try
nah,
to rape her or something.
me nah,
No go around
me nah
there.
run it. For right now, me and my daddy too round if we go burn out and my grand and me grand uncle. Go burn out and me nah ground it, me nah do nothing to it till he move.
You move, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is sad.
Very sorry to hear that,
Yeah,
Papi.
very, very sorry to hear. I'm gonna pray say everything work out and you get your house. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because me always say, no, you see, when time God know my do, you know, and God say, when I feel your time, I feel your time.
Mm-hmm.
This may be the time after so waiting so long. This may be when you're going to get back your house because the pick them gonna see it. Them are come for them mother. You understand? It's not right. What's her name? Miss Babe, she name
Beverly Young.
Beverly Young. Yeah, guy, kids, adults of Miss Beverly Young, you guys need to come for your mother because the gentleman is frustrated now. Over 2.5 years, almost 3 years. He need the house now, man. Come, cut him some slack now. He need the house.
June come and make 2 years and 6 months, you know.
It's almost 3 years. You need the house now. You need the house a long time. That fair wait for your house now. And you're afraid to go there because with her situation now, what she will do, call police by you or tell lie. You're afraid.
My birthright that the mommy daddy did left me.
And your father did left to give you. Oh gosh. Mm-mm. Mm. You pay tax for your house and you can't go in it. There's something they said, you know.
Sometimes I wonder where's the law when you need it.
Where's the law? Yes, where's the law? Where's the law? We don't want to kick her out and she have nowhere to go. We want the kids to come for her.
Right now, the amount of money we spend, man, is gone over 250,000.
Since you come back.
Since you come back, run up and down and everything.
Oh gosh.
Every time we go there,
and that money should have spent on
the
house.
house. Yeah.
Every time we go there, ask me if I sue them, you know. If I sue him, you know. Me tell him, say, I don't want $1 from them.
Just want your house.
Just want me, please.
That is fair enough.
You have good heart. Because you could have easily sue for you, know.
Of course.
If you sue me, sorry for pitting them.
But they're going to do the same thing. They're not going to pay nothing.
But if then she go get kick out and have no if you go them, then rather that.
Obviously, that's the road that they're looking at.
It's sad. It's sad.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, what's your advice? What's your advice to Mr. David? What would you do if this was you? I know a lot of people say, me take out the exit a long time. Some people just say that.
Well,
but what's the right thing? What would you do?
If there's a lawyer out there that's watching this channel with like some advice, can give us some advice on how to approach or how to go about the situation, we'd really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Before any drastic measures has to take. Because it come to a point that the gentleman decides I'm going to take off the roof then if I say go. You can't get a roof, I'm going to take off the zinc them off of the house.
I'm going to wait until the rainy time to take it off.
Yes.
If you no want no matter something them get wash out or destroy or no want no matter get whatever, do something about it before that time come. Because the man is now frustrated. He's frustrated. I can't have your house along and
sometimes when we go down the road, we don't have a bridging down the road. And when we go down there, we check him. You see when you come back, and we catch the gate and see on the desk of me turn in.
Oh gosh.
I feel that way.
Oh God, man. Feel that way, man. Yeah, grieve.
No, it's grieve, man. It's sad.
Sounds like it's about to rain.
No, like there's something here, you know.
You serious?
Because guess what? It could happen to anybody.
Yeah, the way too.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, to be sympathetic in a life. Not just for yourself alone, for others.
Mr. David,
yeah.
I hope this video reached the kids. And it will reach them.
Or when you
somebody who know them, or some lawyer who can give some legal, some advice when it will take 2, 3, 4 years. You understand? And when it do reach the kids, then come for them mother. The rainy season soon start, you know. And it start already. And you need your house. You understand? When storm time come, because storm time just run the corner. You want to fix it up so you don't get worse or that damage when it's storm time come. So you need your house. And you're going to get your house in Jesus' name. You'll get your house because it's too long now. It's too long now. You understand? So, oh man. It's gonna rain, guys, and we have that journey to do. Yep, and guess what? We left the umbrella. You're thunder. So we have to make it over the hill before
Yeah.
the rain. We're trying. Hey, goatee, goatee. Have to make it over the hill. We're full of bore out here. Go bore. Bore on my clothes.
Chill, go burn that chili. Yeah. I'm the trailer. We're hauler up the hill.
Yeah, trailer. And you're the thunder. Boy, I'm tired. I'm tired.
That's why I'm hauler.
Yes, me have to take a reel. Me have to take a,
Come
listen, no,
on.
don't stop on
You
top of
can't
hill.
stop on the hill. How you stop on the hill? It's so flat.